So today's video is all going to be about the supreme greens and mushroom blend. We're going to go on a little trip with Sophie over to the supermarket to get some ingredients to make a nice little green smoothie. We're going to go downstairs, speak with Tomo, who's potting up 600 samples to go out on a marketing campaign, and then we'll discuss a little bit more about why we do those marketing campaigns.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to film some videos of how you can use our products in your diet. So whether you make a drink, a smoothie bowl, we're going to show you what you can put in, you know, because a lot of the time when you're having greens, people don't like the taste of them. I'm one of them people. So if you can incorporate it into your diet in any way which tastes good, you're more inclined to take it. So I'm going to show you what you can put our greens with to make it taste nice and obviously make your diet a bit better, so you're getting your proteins, you're getting your nutrients, and yeah, all while eating good food.
Get them now.
Some fruit, banana probably, I like banana, chai seeds, we've already got honey, some almond milk, coconut milk maybe. Yeah.
And is this something that you have, is it?
Yeah, I'm not really an avocado type of person. Matt is, I'm not. Ellie loves avocado as well, but I'm grass. I'm more a fruity gal, so I'm like, yeah, smoothie bowls, anything that's like fruity, I prefer. I think strawberries go quite nice with banana, don't you? Definitely see lemon and a lime, probably.
Asda or Tesco's?
Club card gal for the win, Tesco.
Sainsbury's or Morrison's?
Morrison's and Kirby's at Gaff.
Lidl or Aldi?
Aldi probably. Our choices this, isn't it? Maybe we'll do almond this week.
Just carrying your club card on Massey's dough there.
Club card accepted. Yeah. What are we gonna get?
What?
Seeds.
Which?
Seeds. I mean, I don't really need them, we just make it bitty anyway, wouldn't it? Crunchy.
Did you want to explain as to why that car is parked the furthest point away from the Tesco's as possible?
You asked me to do reverse park and I'm not a good driver, so I didn't want to hit anyone's car. So I come to the empty part of the car park.
For the video, let's see a reverse park in one of the bays.
No. Okay, well I'm doing one of the ones down here where there's no other cars. It's the only cars behind us, am I going to die? I'm not going to be in the lines here. I'm not even in the lines, I'm nowhere near them. Am I in the lines? Am I in the line? I can't see. I don't even think I'm in the lines. Did I hit the wall then?
Let's have a look at the lines.
Yes! She's done it. So we're back from the shops and I'm going to show you now how I personally incorporate our supreme green and mushroom blend into a drink of a morning. Little squeeze of lime. You have to be most strong to do this. A bit of kiwi. It's going everywhere. Honey. I'm gonna go for almond milk today. All my little B vitamins. Quite a heaped spoon. I'll put some strawberries in it as well. We've got them, why not use them? Oh, it smells delicious. That might be nice and all early, to be fair. I think doing stuff like this is so ideal because if you're the type of person that doesn't have enough time to eat your fruit and veg, to get your vitamins and minerals in, this is so easy. Like, that's just took me about 2 minutes to make in the morning. If you say you work remotely, you can make it whenever. If you work in an office, make it before you go to work. If you work remote, make it on your lunch break. It literally takes 2 minutes and it's just packed full of everything that you possibly need for your diet. Obviously there's so many superfoods in it. It's just ideal, really. Obviously all your nutrition stuff is on the back as well, and allergy advice and things like that. So yeah, it's ideal, really. Anyone who struggles, get on it. Now, I've been making drinks with you all. Matthew is downstairs and he will go through a bit in more detail as to why our greens is good for you, what's in it, and why you should add it to part of your diet.
So the product spotlight this week is our supreme greens with mushroom blend. This is designed for people who are maybe lacking a little bit of energy, or those who are not getting the full range of vitamins and minerals in the diet. This little convenience in a tub is packed full of 35 different superfoods, including spirulina, chlorella, kale, your mushroom blend of maitake, cordyceps, reishi. You've got seeds in there, accompanied by a range of bioactive enzymes, just to make things a little bit more easy on the gut and a bit more absorbable. Packed full of fibre to help things easier on the gut. Packed full of vitamin C and a range of other vitamins and minerals. You know, if you're tired, it'll give you an increase in energy. If you're worried about your diet and you're not getting enough goodness in your diet or enough fibre in your diet, vitamins, minerals, it's for those people with a busy lifestyle, somebody who wants that convenience of being able to drink the vitamins, basically. So now you've seen a little bit about the greens and the mushroom blend, how to use it, why to use it. We're actually sending 600 free samples out as a marketing campaign to retailers. So what I'll do now is leave you with Tomo, who's making them up, and you can have a little look at that.
What is it that you're doing here today?
We're just packing up some greens for the marketing campaign. We've made the blend of greens, we're just putting it into sample bags to distribute to different companies.
Tomo is basically putting the serving that we recommend into a sample packet, and then the people who receive the sample packet are able to do whatever they want with that sample, whether they put it in water, put it in a smoothie, sprinkle it over them muesli of the morning. So yeah, it's all done per particular amount. So when we send out our catalogues and our customers read the catalogues, it will tell you your recommended dose or recommended amount to take. That's what this is.
15 grams, lad.
There you go. All done.
Can you eat it raw as well, Soph? That'll be interesting.
Now!
So you've just had a little insight into Tomo's job for the day, which is getting together 600 free samples, which are going to be going out to retailers as part of our marketing campaign.
What is the importance of marketing to Feel Supreme?
Brand awareness, brand building, whatever you kind of want to put it down at. So we kind of sell all over the world, I'll say all over the world, but we sell into different countries. So if you think about what many other brands are out there, we need to make sure that, you know, we're getting
It's alright, stick with it, mate.
So we need to make sure that we're getting seen by customers and also potential customers. So that's what the marketing's all about. If you look at, say, what Tomo's just been doing, and we're giving out free samples, those free samples are basically us saying to potential customers, look how great we are, look at the quality of this product, you know, there's the catalogue to go with it, come back and see us.
So what do you do in particular to market Feel Supreme?
There's quite a lot we do, to be honest, which in the past we probably haven't done, and now that we've learned how to do it, we realise how valuable it is. So there's no kind of one approach that is successful. It's a culmination of all of those different things that we're doing, which makes it successful. So we've got, like, you know, there's certain magazines that we'll advertise in, and that ranges from like a sixth of a page, which might be like a little product spotlight, so you get a photograph, a little bit of blurb about the product, or there's certain magazines that we do where we take a full page and it'll be kind of right, this is us, look how great we are. There's QR codes relating back to the website or some point of contact where we want to lead the customer to. We advertise, there's train stations that will have adverts up in to say there's this kind of thing that we're doing where it's free samples going out to retailers. So a lot of those retailers will be regular customers anyway. But, you know, there'll be a lot more that are not, and some that have never even heard of us before. So it allows us to get out there and just keep moving, basically.
Is there anything that you done wrong or that you learned from when you started marketing Feel Supreme as a business?
Yeah, we've done loads wrong, which is where the growth happens, I suppose. But it's where you learn, isn't it, when you're making mistakes. I spoke before about we've never had any investment or anything into the business. Everything's kind of been built, just it was a slow process, slow, steady growth. So there was never really any money to throw around at marketing, but the money that we did throw around, we didn't know what we were doing, it was just basically written off. It's only now, over the past few years, and we've actually got a marketing company on board with us now, so I'm still learning myself, but, you know, I'm going to the right people to ask questions. And it's just, like I said, it's more of a blanket approach. Nobody's seeing like one advertising slot, like one page in a magazine or one page on Instagram or anything like that. It's a culmination of everything that you're doing, kind of getting filtered down and just keep on popping up in people's eyeline. Hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. You've taken a trip over to the supermarket with Sophie, seeing how best to make a Feel Supreme greens and mushroom blend shake, and also had a little bit of an insight into our marketing campaigns and why we do what we do. Peace up, A-Town. If you do like the content on this channel, please do subscribe, like the video, check us out on social media, which is feel_supreme on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, or the website, which is feelsupreme.co.uk.